looking down from the balcony of room 404 at the Hotel Metropole in Monte Carlo. You can see the greenery lining the main entrance and the park at the far side, and the flags on a building look quite far away but is not. That is the rooftop of Hotel de Paris. And let's come inside the room. I arrived about 10 minutes ago and I asked if they could possibly get me a Financial Times and a New York Times, and they've already arrived. It's incredibly elegant. Look at the lovely fruit-filled fabric of the upholstery, which incidentally has striped sides, but the stripes are not the same as the stripes on the main drapes. Very classical art. It's a small room, I would think about 43 square meters, but it's been made very carefully so that it actually looks larger. More fruit-filled fabric on the bed head and on the skirt of the bed. And you can see there a really old-fashioned telephone, Bliss. You can, it's easy to see what to push, and my goodness, the wires are not all caught up. Now, I do admit that I can't see a single USB port. I haven't looked in the drawers or anything yet, but I'm sure they've got that organized. What is amazing is this thing that's called Compose. It comes from Paris, and it is exuding my choice of scent for 20 minutes. And this is a scent that is apparently aimed at mid-morning. They have other scents that are better for later in the day. Something new, and I love having something new. Big standing television, Philips. We've got a high up mini bar, so you can see your Taittinger and your Alain Milliat drinks. And 5 doors along in the opening corridor. One has the safe, and another one has 2 really stylish pairs of slippers. Look at those. Back into the main corridor, and we're going to finish in the bathroom. By the way, that the inner door covering the minibar is stylishly covered in a little curtain. And the bathroom, well, it's got 2 sinks. It's got Ferragamo toiletries, another telephone wall set so it doesn't take up any space, and an absolutely enormous shower with overhead and handheld and side faucets, and a deep tub and heated towel rail. And finally, the sun is shining, wintertime shine, here in Monte Carlo.